In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for your e-commerce store fast and easy. Pinterest is an incredibly powerful tool for businesses looking to drive traffic and engage with potential customers visually. Whether you're running a cozy home decor shop or selling stylish attire, Pinterest can serve as a dynamic virtual showcase for your products. So let's dive right in and see how you can effectively harness its power. To begin, navigate to Pinterest. Simply open your preferred web browser and type Pinterest into the search bar, then hit Enter. As you scan the results, click on the first link that appears, and this will lead you directly to the Pinterest homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to set up a Pinterest business account. This is a crucial step if you want to utilize Pinterest's full suite of tools designed for businesses. If you already have a personal account, you can easily convert it to a business profile. And the best part? It's completely free. This account will give you access to Pinterest analytics, ad campaigns, and more features to maximize your reach. After setting up your business account, it's time to create product-focused boards. Think of boards as thematic collections or categories for your products. For instance, if you're selling home goods, you might have a board titled Boho Home Decor. Or if you specialize in gifts, a board named Personalized Gifts would be perfect. This not only organizes your products but makes it easier for users to discover content that resonates with them. Now let's focus on designing high-converting pins. A fantastic tool for this is Canva. It's user-friendly and offers a wide array of templates specifically tailored for Pinterest. Aim to create vertical pins with dimensions of 1000 by 1500 pixels to optimize their visibility. Rather than just plain product shots, try incorporating lifestyle images or product in-use mock-ups. Adding text overlays to highlight benefits or features can further grab potential customers' attention. Optimizing your pins for Pinterest search engine optimization (SEO) is key to reaching more viewers. Remember to include relevant keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and board names. Instead of a generic term like necklace, opt for something more descriptive, such as personalized gold name necklace, gift for her. Additionally, incorporating 2 to 5 relevant hashtags can enhance your pin's discoverability. Consistency is vital for maintaining engagement on Pinterest. Therefore, aim to pin 5 to 10 fresh pins each day. Reimagining your products in multiple pin designs with various lifestyle photos, seasonal variations, and different focus points can help keep your content vibrant and engaging. Leverage seasonal and trend-driven content by posting pins about 6 to 8 weeks ahead of major events. Think along the lines of Mother's Day gift ideas or back-to-school essentials. This strategy can capture the interest of users planning for upcoming occasions. Finally, track, analyze, and scale your efforts. Utilize Pinterest analytics to identify which pins are driving the most traffic to your site. Monitoring your e-commerce platform for conversions can provide additional insights into what's working. With this data, you can double down on high-performing products, pin designs, and keywords, ultimately driving more success for your store. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Pinterest for your e-commerce store. Happy pinning, and I look forward to seeing how you elevate your business with these strategies.